a one-time 5% tax on fortunes over $1 billion, and Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly dropping up to $200 million on a waterfront fortress in Miami's Billionaire Bunker so he doesn't have to pay it. Yeah. The guy worth roughly $230 billion is fleeing California because 5% once might cost him $11.5 billion he'll never miss. Stay with me because this gets worse. Zuck's not alone. Larry Page, Sergey Brin, Larry Ellison, Peter Thiel, David Sachs, they've already planted flags in South Florida. Jeff Bezos is literally his neighbor now. Tom Brady, Ivanka Trump, Carl Icahn. Indian Creek Island has 41 homes, and it's turning into the world's most exclusive panic room for people terrified of contributing a sliver more to society. Here's the threat they're running from. California's 2026 Billionaire Tax Act, a ballot initiative still gathering signatures, would hit anyone worth over $1 billion with a single 5% wealth tax on December 31, 2026, if they're still a California resident on January 1st of that year. You can spread the payment over 5 years. One time, not annual. One. And real estate brokers in Miami say California buyers are flooding in right now to beat the cutoff. Let that sink in. These people own multiple compounds, private jets, and enough stock to buy entire countries. Yet the idea of paying 5% once sends them sprinting to a state with no income tax and no questions asked. Meanwhile, the median American family is one emergency away from ruin, paying a higher effective tax rate on their actual income than many of these billionaires pay on their unrealized gains. They'll tell you it's smart business. Florida feels predictable, they say. Translation: Florida treats them like royalty, and California dares to ask them to help fund healthcare and schools. $10 billion from Zuckerberg alone could transform lives. But nah, he'd rather buy another gated island playground while food banks run empty and people skip meds because they can't afford the copay. This isn't just tax planning. It's hoarding on a scale that breaks society. Trillions locked up in assets they'll never spend in 20 lifetimes, while the rest of us fight over scraps. So tell me, is it fair that billionaires can relocate overnight to dodge responsibility, but you and I can't move to escape our bills? Drop your thoughts below. I read everyone.